How to stop kernel messages from flooding my console? I'm using CentOS 6, syslog logging. Console is flooded with kernel messages. Clogged is not running, I'm using syslog. Syslog config does not direct anything to the console. Even tried stopping syslog altogether. Still something is flooding my console with kernel log messages. What it is, and how do I make it stop? Update, these are the messages generated by the kernel, hardware, iptables, etc., stuff that goes out of /proc/kmsg, like this.
I suggest you alter your /etc/sysctl.conf. Specifically, you want to tweak the kernel.print client. I am not sure what the CentOS default settings are, but it seems likely that if things set more verbose than you need. Also, do see the shorewall section on logging. You don't have to use the log target for logging, you can use other tools, or adjust the log severity, and tweak things to control where your messages go.
Here's the official way to do it, according to Red Hat. To set the console log level in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6, pass log level equals as a boot time parameter.
I found this helpful as well. On Rail-based distros you can cat to see what your current settings are. 4 values are found in the print file. Each of these values define a different rule for dealing with error messages. The first value, called the console log level, defines the lowest priority of messages printed to the console. Note that, the lower the priority, the higher the log level number. The second value sets the default log level for messages without an explicit log level attached to them. The third value sets the lowest possible log level configuration for the console log level. The last value sets the default value for the console log level. Use of the log level parameter in etc sysconfig init to set the console log level is no longer supported. To set the console log level in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6, pass log level is equal to as a boot time parameter. For example, log level is equal to 6 will print all messages less than 6, not equal to just less than. Credit to Rail 6 E.3.9. Proxys. Linuxtopia kernel log levels.
To set the values at runtime, use syslog. I suppose one can write directly to, and apparently you can also use dmesc and cur as described here. Display. The separators in the output are single tabs, btw. Set. Here the separators are just spaces. Works as well. cman syslog. Configure kernel parameters at runtime. For more. Reminder of the severity levels and the 4 values of kernel.print given by Brian above. Cur equals current severity level. Only messages more important than this level are printed. Def equals default severity level assigned to messages with no level. Min equals minimum allowable cur. Def equals boot time default cur. On my CentOS 7417. This is too noisy. I just want critical and up, no errors. Unlabeled messages should be regarded as warning, so def is good. Set to 3413.
If you want to support the channel, please consider